Welcome to healthyayurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. The wisdom of Ayurveda stresses the great importance on the transition between two seasons. And as we pass through this transition, we should consider a new lifestyle, new attitude, as we pass from the old season and enter into the new season. Ayurveda speaks about the springtime warmth as the melting of accumulated cold quality of Kapha Dosha, which liquefies and often manifests as nasal congestion, itching and watery eyes, sneezing, postnasal drip, cough, etc. Therefore, one of the goals during spring season is to help pacify Kapha with foods that are light and easily digestible, foods which are pungent, bitter, and astringent, as these tastes are considered Kapha pacifying, or that which helps to reduce Kapha. Likewise, we want to avoid foods which are heavy and oily, while minimizing tastes which are sweet, sour, and salty, as these flavors tend to increase Kapha dosha. It's advised to have easily digestible food during spring, since the digestive power of Agni is often diminished. Therefore, one may want to consider Trikatu. Trikatu is a formula of equal parts of ginger, black pepper, and pipali, and it's a wonderful herbal combination with strong digestive properties. One may also want to consider sips of hot water, which helps to improve digestion. It may be beneficial to consider warming teas such as ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and clove tea during this transition time. Honey is always a delight, and it's thought to have a scraping effect, or lekna, and small amounts of raw honey is considered beneficial to help reduce kapha. Therefore, a good consideration for sweeteners during spring season is honey. Likewise, certain herbs to help reduce kapha and even to help fight off the allergies during spring season are adding certain spices such as turmeric, fresh ginger, garlic, onions. And finally, it's generally considered beneficial to do panchakarma during the pre-spring season under the guidance of a qualified professional, as this will help to remove that excess residual kapha within the body. Later, we'll see in a different video that actually during the late spring season going into summer, we'll begin to see an increase in pitta, and we'll continue to discuss these considerations in the following videos. Meanwhile, hope you've enjoyed, and until next time, be well.